This is a CRT TV that I found on the side of the road one day. It works, and it's been sitting here for a while, and I can't get rid of it. So today, let's look inside of it. I just want to take it apart, and yeah, I'm just gonna go in the garbage anyways. I might as well do something with it. Well, the first step is I just gotta take this thing, and we're gonna flip it over. So that is, hang on, let's take a look. Sony KU20 TS27. Don't know if it's either the 20-inch or the 27-inch. I can't be bothered to look. I see some screws, and each one has a convenient arrow next to it, so you know exactly where to look. I think I found a Phillips of the correct size for that. Oh, they are so stripped. I found a bigger one. And we're gonna see if this one does anything. Oh, I heard it. Oh, it's moving. Got him out. Wasn't that stripped, I just was using the wrong freaking thing. That's two. Now, either I'm really weak, or those screws are just on there. These are probably real old boys. Since, you know, I found this. Oh, also it started raining. I found this guy when it was pretty dry out. There was like a big old drought at one point in the US. Now, thankfully, that drought is over. It's just that I happened to find this bad boy when it was super dry out. So I was like, cool. Now, there's no way it could be damaged. But now I'm like, I don't care. I just let this thing rot. Do I not know how screws work or something? There we go. So I guess this just comes off now, doesn't it? Oh shit, it does. Nice, nice. There's something holding it back down here though. Might have missed a few screws or something. I'm feeling a few points of attachment along this like plastic. I'm so close yet so far. Oh. Well, now it's off of something. I think I might understand what's happening here. Let me get you a closer look. Now this back part, you might notice, is where the damn motherboardingly brains are. Which means that when I lift this up, I'm tugging on a motherboard. You see here. So now I'm not sure what the hell I'm gonna do. You could just brute force it. No, I mean, I'm a calm and collected person. I would never do such a violent thing. Hey, snapped something off. Does it matter? Well, not anymore, it doesn't. This is the part where I put on gloves. So right here is something, because clearly these are all like connected. So you got the main little boy. Oh, here's the thing that snapped off. So I know what that was. You got some coaxial cable. Wait, so in relation to this was still connected because it's the thing that where all the video inputs go. Here, let's get a better look. So that's snapped off over there, and this is where all the video goes in. And I guess I didn't realize because, well, I mean, I wouldn't have figured that out in a million years. So yeah, overall, that's a pretty boring experience, actually. Oh, well, hang on now. There's a fucking diagram. Did that just unleash, like, asbestos or something? Found a label. It's the serviceman's label. As you can see, it makes a lot of goddamn dust. Oh, so you can actually unshackle the tube itself from the rest of it. I wonder what I'm going to do next. I'm curious, can I extract these? In this, fuck it, I'm a pussy. Oh, I just didn't unscrew it all the way. I extracted one the smart people way, which is that slow and steady wins the race. Apparently I never learned that. I'm stupid. Just gotta remove this guy from his little housing. I've noticed that this thing, whatever it is, it's looped around in two sections. Whatever you are, can you get out? Kind of, Found my old gardener's gloves. Gonna give these bad boys a whirl. Wait a minute, it's hooked onto itself. I'm confused. Then again, I'm not an engineer, so... Well, I mean, I am, but like... Oh, well, now, wait a minute. Snapped something off. These things are connected to it, and I'm scared to disconnect them. Oh, but I can just do this. And a bit of this. Dude, that's so cool. They, like, made their own little clips. So now you just undo them, and just like that, wabamo. What Alabama? Remember the Alabama. Yeah, so they have their own little wire clips in here to secure their wires, amongst other things. Wait, if I just... It's on there well. There's also a lot of dust in this. If that's on camera well, I lived a good life. Oh, I unhooked it. Now for the other side. So that has now released whatever this is supposed to be for. Connected to a little coily thing. Now it's not anymore. Now it's just hanging out, unleashing its dustiness. That was relatively easy. Where's the Staples easy button when you need her? Tempted to touch some of these, but I don't know what they do, so I don't want to. Like that I know is just the control-y thingy on here. Ooh. So does this also come out? Oh, and this also comes out? So now there's this box, which I'm going to call the vacuum boy. I don't want to touch the vacuum boy. This does not come out like I thought it would. Yeah, this was stupid anyways. Let me just snap it off. There we go. Into the junk drawer you go. That's one mighty cable. Not anymore. With the power of blades. Buy yours today at blades.com. Got the damn flux capacitor down there. Okay, this is fed in a loop. A loop that goes around this little thing, so then I have to ask the question, how do I get this thing out again? Like, I seriously thought I unscrewed everything. Alright, I now have the power to lift the entire thing by this one cable, so I'm assuming that I'm on the right track. You know what? That goes in the trash pile. I knew it. Oh, I got it. There we go. It's out. She has been freed from the shackles. It's making some strange movements. There are literally some crossed wires here. Otherwise, you could just free these two rings. Now, why are there two rings? That's a that's a good question. I'd love to tell you on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
Mazel tov, or something like that. Alright, what are we left with now? You got... That's the TV part. This is the actual, like, the thing. Oh, hang on, there's another part I can unscrew. I've never wanted to use a screwdriver more in my life right now. So these two parts are the CRT itself. That's the actual, heavy hitter, I guess you could say. Now, when it hits the ground, it makes a very loud sound. I wonder what that's all about. Ow! So finally, I think I can answer the question when this thing was made. Because I see what appears to be a date. Let me just clean up after myself a little here. You see, when it's in this form factor, it's a little easy to understand what's going on here. So here's that CRT. There's the guts. Well, this is the guts, but that's the, the nasty fun part. And now if you look on here, you can see you got, that thing that's kind of holding it up. And then you got this. Wow. And then some of this is just completely rotted out, which would explain why there was a green tint half the time. There's that little piece. This is rubbed off from just, I guess, the thing using. There was a barcode there. I guess we're not allowed to see it. And then you got a few things written into it. 1220Q. And then probably B1816T. And on here, something. But on here, May 19th, 1991. I mean, damn. Put on a glove again. Alright, I just checked. There's nothing funny on the bottom. Wow, that was a interesting experience. So that is what CRT looks like. So now my curiosity has been finished. Now you have the remnants of this. You got the MTS module, the power supply, remote control area. Or no, this is the part that displays the stuff that comes out of the remote control. 2. And you can see a remote control supply, power supply. Oh, right, these are batteries. Yeah, y'all gotta go. Ooh, there's a lot of batteries on here, actually. I don't want to breathe too close to it, though. I don't think I need to explain why. There's the audio amp. Power supply reg, power control display. Got some caution, and they put it in French. For any French people that are going to disassemble this Japanese-made CRT. Oh, you're telling me that the motherboard could have just slid out like this the whole time? Well, I'm definitely not pissed. me just unscrew a few more. Oh, it's the speaker. That's a speaker, alright. They just use, like, this paper thin stuff for the speaker. If I didn't get this on video, you would never believe me. But I think I just found what I thought was dog feces. It's actually a slug living inside of it. Yeah, what up, little guy? I want to free him, but I don't want to touch him. Damn. I thought he was poo-poo. Oh, I made him curl up. Oh, I feel bad now. Oh, is that what they do? Like as little as self-defense? Ah, look at that. One sec. He's now free to do what he wants. Alright, here are my final results. That's the CRT, that's the motherboard, and this is a hollow CRT. And you can see, as I was correct, May 91. There's a lot of stuff in here. But they're kind of trippy to look at from this angle. Now I just got to figure out how I'm going to get this into the garbage. By the way, you need to, like, throw away your stuff at a special place. Make sure you look into that. Since, you know, it's kind of important to not illegally dump batteries. It's a felony. All right.